Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. I am Sonu Singh and today we are tackling a problem we all care about, social media habits. We will analyze a data set of 62 users to uncover trends like which countries spend the most time online, how age affects usage, and whether more screen times means more likes. Stick around, this one packed with insights. Here is the data set we are working with. It includes columns like user ID, usage, duration, hours, age, country, and total likes. Our goal is to clean, analyze, and visualize this data step by step. Let's jump into Python. We will use three key tools: Pandas for organizing data, Matplotlib and Seaborn for crafting charts, Python itself to tie it all together. Let's import these libraries. Think of Pandas as a spreadsheet tool, Matplotlib as a sketchpad for graphs, and Seaborn as a stylist that makes those graphs look sleek. Once we have imported them, we are ready to load the data. Next, we load the dataset using pd.read_csv. Let's peek at the data. You will notice a typo in the column usage duration. Don't worry, we will fix that next. Typos happens. Let's rename the column to usage duration using df.rename. The inplace is equal to true parameter ensure the changes apply directly to our data frame. Before analyzing, we need clean data. Let's check for missing values using df.original.sum. Missing data can break our analysis, but luckily this dataset is clean. No missing values here. Next, check for duplicate rows. Duplicates can skew results, but our dataset has none. Perfect. We are ready to analyze. Let's start by calculating average usage duration by country. We will use group by to group the data by country and mean to calculate averages. Sorting the values help us see which country tops the list. Here is the result. Singapore and Turkey lead with 6 to 7 hours of daily usage, while Germany and Bulgaria average just 2 to 3 hours. Why the difference? Maybe cultural factors or platform popularity. Let me know your theories in the comments. Next, let's explore age trends. We will create a scatter plot with age on the x-axis and usage duration on the y-axis. The hue parameter colors the dots by country and S is equal to 100 makes the dot larger for clarity. Look at this. Users under 25 spend significantly more time online, some even 10 plus hours daily. Meanwhile, users over 50 rarely access 2 hours. Now, let's see which country gets the most likes. We will group the data by country and calculate average likes. Sorting the values help us rank countries from highest to lowest. Singapore and Australia dominate with 10 to 15 lakhs per user, while Bulgaria and Germany average fewer than 5. Does this mean active users get more likes? Let's check. This could reflect generational differences in social media adoption. Finally, let's see if spending more time online leads to more likes. We will plot usage duration against total likes and color code by country. There is a weak positive trend here. Users who spend 10 plus hours often get 20 plus likes, but it's not such a strict rule. Some users spend 1 to 2 hours and still get 5 to 10 likes. Quality over quantity? Perhaps. Let's recap. Younger users spend more time online. Singapore and Turkey are the most active countries. Likes don't always correlate with screen time. Got questions? Drop them below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to Let's Talk About Data and hit the bell so you never miss an analysis. Let me know what dataset I should tackle next. See you in the next video.